AdSense? Basically a curse word to me. I've made over $250,000 selling digital products on this channel. No AdSense, no waiting, no begging. Most of you are fighting for scraps in oversaturated niches. What if you could build a faceless channel, sell your own PDF, and make real money from day one? Today, I'll show you 7 fresh faceless YouTube niches that can each make you $20,000 a month, and how easy it is to make and sell your own digital product, even if you've never sold anything before. You want sales, not just views? Here's the system. Pick a weird, high-demand niche with desperate buyers. Make a faceless YouTube channel that solves a real problem. Sell your own PDF or template directly to your viewers. No face, no credentials, no waiting for AdSense. Just a channel, a product, and an audience that needs your solution. Don't see many faceless channels in these niches? That's your green light. If you're waiting for proof, you'll always be late. These PDFs solve one big, expensive problem. Pay $47, save $3,000 on a car. Pay $67, make $10,000 more at your job. Let's break down the 7 best niches and the exact products you can sell in each. Niche number 1, car buying negotiation. Teaching people how to pay less for a car. Americans love buying cars, but hate car shopping. Sounds boring, works like crazy. Here's a real channel doing this. This channel gets 325,820 views a month. AdSense? Maybe $1,100 a month if you're lucky. YouTube can take away your AdSense. But here's what YouTube can't take away: sales revenue. What to sell? Create your own $47 PDF called Dealer Playbook. Scripts and tactics to save $3,000 to $7,000 on any car. How much you make? I love money math. I hope you do too. 2% click, 10% buy, 325,820 views, 652 sales at $47 each. 652 times $47 equals $30,644 per month from selling. That extra $1,100 from AdSense is just icing on the cake. Even if YouTube demonetizes you, you still clear $30,000 a month. The next niche has even crazier earning potential. Niche number 2, salary negotiation, helping people get paid what they're worth. Here's a channel doing this. This channel gets nearly 2 million views a month, $9,200 from AdSense. But the real money is in your pitch. What to sell? You're gonna make a $67 PDF for salary script templates. You're gonna love this money math. If your channel gets 2 million views a month and it's built to sell clear, simple offers like a $67 salary script PDF, here's what it can look like. Job seekers, 3% click, 10% buy. Now the math. 2 million views, 6,000 sales. 6,000 sales times $67 equals $402,000 in a month. That's more than most people will make in 4 years. This works best when your offer has a clear result, like email scripts that helps people get $10,000 to $25,000 higher salaries. Not just more ticks about jobs. Who cares if YouTube demonetizes you? You're rich! By the way, like and sub. This is hard, and that stuff motivates me. I know you're salivating for more niches. Wipe your mouth, and come on. Niche number 3, rental lease negotiation. Teaching renters how to pay less rent. Zillow talks about this on their channel, and even they don't get AdSense. Here's a smaller local channel. 486,979 views a month. AdSense, maybe $3,500 a month. But what could you sell? How about rent negotiation scripts? $27 per sale. How much you make? Renters? 2 out of 100 click. 5% buy. 486,979 views. 487 sales at $27 each. That's $13,149 from selling. Add the $3,500 from AdSense, and you're at $16,649 per month. Even if YouTube kills your AdSense tomorrow, you still make about $13,000 a month just from the scripts. Niche number 4, wedding vow writing. People want to make stirring wedding vows, and they may just need your help to do it. Here's a channel all about wedding planning. This channel gets 329,594 views a month. AdSense, $900 a month. But the real money is in selling a product to your audience. What to sell? A $37 PDF called the Vow Vault. Customizable vow templates and frameworks. How much you make. This is where the fun begins. Viewers, 3 out of 100 click, 10% buy, 329,594 views, 989 sales at $37 each. That's $36,593 per month from selling. Compare that with the paltry $900 from AdSense. Which would you rather have? Write your answer in the comments. Niche number 5, job interview preparation. Helping people land better jobs. You can instantly see the upside in having a channel like this. This channel gets over 4 million views a month, even sells a book, so she's already using our strategy. AdSense, not even $4,000 a month, but the real money is in her book. It's available on Kindle, Audible, and hardcover. What to sell? Let's assume we sell our own PDF called Offer Machine for $27 with scripts for common questions and salary negotiation. How much you make? Job seekers? 2 out of 100 click, 8% buy, 4 million views. That's an incredible number. Gets us 6,400 sales at $27 each. That's $172,800 from selling. Are you sure you care if YouTube demonetizes you? Drop a 5 in the comments if you're still there. Niche number 6, difficult conversation scripts, helping people say what they can't say. I needed this about 4 years ago when I broke up with my ex. She just might hit me next time I see her. This channel gets over 2 million views a month. Good AdSense too, $6,300 a month. But we're not here for chump change. What to sell? A $37 PDF called Hard Talk Playbook. Word-for-word scripts for 25 tough conversations. How much you make? 2% click, 10% buy, 2 million views, 4,000 sales at $37 each. That's $148,000 from selling. Add the $6,300 AdSense on top. Total, $154,300 per month. Even if AdSense disappears, you're still making a fortune. Stay tuned for the last niche, because it's gonna knock your socks off. Niche number 7, tax preparation for freelancers. Helping people save thousands on taxes. Tax season is coming up, and Americans need help bad. Here's an example. This channel gets 1.2 million views a month. AdSense is good, maybe $6,500 a month. But the real money is in the services you can provide. What to sell? You can make a freelancer tax system, $37 per sale. How much you make? 3% click, 33% buy. 1.2 million views, 12,000 sales at $37 each. That's $444,000 from selling a PDF. This niche isn't for everybody. I recommend only trained professional tax advisors take this one on. But the profit potential is insane. You don't need a big channel, a pretty face, or a PhD. Let's get real. In 2026, nobody's buying generic how to communicate PDFs. AI can summarize that for free in 10 seconds. If you want to sell, you need to offer insights, not just info. Here's how you actually make money with digital products now. 1, make it personalized. Static files are dead. If your PDF gives a personalized result, like a conflict-style quiz that spits out a custom script, your conversion rate can jump from 3% to 30% or even 45%. People want answers for their exact situation, not a wall of text. 2, go B2B or go specific. The soft skills market is exploding, $445 billion and growing. If you make a professional-grade PDF, like the Manager's Conflict Resolution Toolkit, you can charge more and sell to businesses, not just broke individuals. 3, outcome-driven titles. Don't call it Guide to Difficult Conversations. Call it the 5-minute script for firing an underperformer. Specific outcome-driven titles promise a real result and get more sales. 4, be a niche of one. Don't make a PDF for communication. Make it for introverted tech leads who hate meetings. The more specific, the less competition, and the higher your conversion rate. 5, use YouTube Shorts for quick wins. 73% of buyers in 2026 want to see a short video before they buy. Make a 30-second short showing a quick win from your PDF. Here's the exact script I used to get $200 off my rent. Full template in the link below. 6, systemize it. Use ChatGPT to generate frameworks, quizzes, and scripts. Use Pictory to make faceless explainer videos and shorts. Sell your PDF on Gumroad or PayHip. Link it everywhere. video description, pinned comment, and your channel banner. Bottom line, if your PDF solves a real urgent problem for a specific person and you show the result in a short, you can print money, even if nobody else is in your niche. Want more weird, high-converting niches and the exact systems to monetize them? Check out Dave Nick's Online Business Club. He drops new faceless niches and affiliate offers every week for his students. Stuff you won't find anywhere else. I got the whole idea for this video from a post in the group. So if you like this video, you'll like what the group has to offer. He even teaches revenue per view, so you can stop thinking like a broke YouTuber and start thinking like a business. If you want to skip the trial and error and just copy what's working, use my link below. Yes, it's an affiliate link. Yes, I make money if you buy. No, it doesn't cost you extra. I can't promise you'll make a red cent. Your results depend on your work, your niche, and your offer. Everything here is for education and inspiration only. Most people who watch videos like this never take action. If you want results, you have to actually do the work. 7 fresh, faceless niches, all with desperate buyers, zero competition, and real money. Stop fighting for scraps in the make money online niche. Start printing money in a niche nobody else wants. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more weird money ideas. Your move, let's go.